Good morning, folks. I'm your host, Alex. Welcome to the first edition of Vlogs by Alex. It's beautiful September morning, September 29th. Getting ready to start a massive project. Going to make myself a place to live out of a really old family cabin. Um, yeah, it's like 34 years old. We ain't stayed in it in years. It's full of rat turds and garbage and all dad's stuff. Just what you want to call it stuff. Scaffold, just random shit. Just it's a collect all, and yeah, so it's gonna be quite a bit of work. Um, but yeah, we're fixing to get started. You can see from the outside, it's old gambrel style old cabin barn. We built this back in 1988, 89, I believe. The porch right here you see behind me, we made out of pine logs. Hewn them a little bit, straight the bark, and built a porch out of it. It's in bad shape. It's going to get all tore down. We got a sawmill now, so we're going to saw up some lumber and redo the porch out of rough sawn. Haven't decided what to do about the roof. It's in decent shape, but yeah, it's painted tin. I mean, it's one of the things where it's already been done. You just have to continue to do it. And it's, like I said, it's 34 years old, I believe. It's pretty old. Lots of rust underneath. We use a special paint to supposed to seal it in and keep it from further corrosion, but I don't know how well I trust that. Not to mention there's no decking underneath it, so you're gonna have issues with heat in the wintertime and moisture and condensation, and I don't want any future problems with this because this will be my house. It's 12 feet wide, 20 feet long. It's an 8 by 18-foot porch, simple shed roof. But yeah, that's all I need. From where I've been the past 7 years of my life in a 70 to 80 square foot cell, yeah, this will be like a mansion. It's going to be done right, though. So, see if I get this around, show you guys what kind of shit I'm going to be working with here. As you can see, there's crap everywhere. You get an idea of the roof structure. These logs, man, they're ate up with pine beetles, and yeah, it's bad shape. So let's see here. I wish you guys could smell the smell in here, because it really give you an idea. Just think of like rat piss and shit. That's pretty much what you're smelling, or would be smelling if you're standing right beside me. But yeah, the cabinets are coming out. It's gonna be a bathroom in the back corner, kitchenette, and then my bed will be right here. The doors are coming out. Put some type of windows, replace all the windows. I'm gonna reside it. Let's see, we'll go up the loft here. I'm actually gonna tear out most of the loft. You can see it's a catch-all for everything. But yeah, we're gonna start cleaning this up today and just get it empty and then go from there. We're gonna actually gonna take 3 sections of the floor out here. You see underneath here, just regular 2x4 flooring. And we're going to take it back to and leave them 2 sections for a loft. I have a swing down ladder in case the guest or, buddies get drunk and can't drive home. I don't drink, but in case somebody else did or something, or, overnight guest or whatever, storage. You name it, though. So, yeah, that's basically it for our little intro video. Little vlog here on the homestead, Red Stem Orchard. I start bringing details on the orchard and other things we got going on around here. I don't know if you can tell the woods out here. Most of that's going to get cleared out eventually. Most of it. And we're going to plant, I'm going to plant some more apple trees and blackberries, blueberries. raspberries, maybe peaches. Lots of stuff coming in the future. So, hello to the world, and I'll give you updates as I get going along.